Alright, it's only me. I'm doing a shore with the dog. I come a walk along there. See there, at the prom, down there. The wains are there, but take the dog down there. See it? Hey Gail! I'm talking to the people. It's quite a nice wee hangman along here today. Quite a nice wee heat. No bad. So I'm going to head down into the dunes and maybe find a bit of beach nature. Maybe find the things you could find at a beach. What kind of things could you find at a beach? A jellyfish? We'll have a look when we'll find a jellyfish up here. That's the dog. A wasp. Well, I remember, I don't know if any, but we stayed on the dog track over there. See, you can actually see it from here. That was where we grew up over there, over the dog track. See the high cut there? And back in our day, before they put that caravan site and that, round about our bit was all sawn. Like the school park and everything had like sawn in it. Scott Logan and that will mind. They used to have bits like this, where you would dig into a sawney hole like that, and there would be like hundreds of wasps in it, but no fully formed wasps, young wasps, if you ken what I mean. But fucking beer cans, assholes. Sorry about the swearing. Oh aye. Dirty dog. So we'll need to, we've got a dirty dog here. Yeah. What are you doing, Mr. Dog? Here we've got a bit here. This bit out here's natural cliff. You see natural cliff? I'll maybe speak up a wee bit in case you can't hear us. It's a natural cliff. And if you actually look down there on the sun there, there's a coal dust rim along there, if you can see it. That's as far up as the coal dust comes, because underneath where we're now would have been again Stevenson and that all coal mining town. So we've got lots of coal mining things. I've got the day after day because it's VE day. Normally we would get the May Day Monday, but they've gave us, I think they did that last year too, if memory serves. Quanko quanko! Watch out there. There's a guy. Dog knows a guy coming. Oh, he's not coming, he's just sitting there. He's probably thinking the same thing. There's a guy coming towards me. There's a guy coming towards me holding the phone, pointing the phone at us. So, now we got here, head into the junior bit of the show. Right, Quinny, keep over. Quinny! Come on, dog. There. Along the shore we go, up the Stevenson end, up the Stevenson slip. See it over there? See, at one time the shore just kept going right along there, but there used to be an ironworks sat over there, and they used to ship pig iron to Ardrossan Harbour, and they thought to save money they would build their own harbour and put a slip out, but then they worked out again, if you actually go to Stone on that, you get pure blown away. Come on, dog! Yeah. There's dogger, dogger. Come on, Quay. Look, I was down onto the dunes here. The show's not bad today. I was expecting it to be mobbed, but it's quite nice, warm way. Quite nice and warm. Where are you, dog? Hey! better get back down to the shore. No, 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 no more. No more shore. See, I grew up down here. We would be down here all the time when we were mains. This is my manor. We're getting out here to a bit where me and Gavin McInnes and I think Davy McLean dug out this big den out of the Son down here. It's about here somewhere, I can't exactly remember where. But a bit like that, see where the sand dunes are? And we dug it all out and put wood along the top of it and then covered it all back up with sand, and the 3 A's were sitting in it, and a guy come a walk across the dunes and came in and caved the hang in and landed on our heads, and we got all covered in sand. I don't know if Gavin and Davy will remember that. I remember it. I remember it. Hey, where's the ball? Ah, it's alright, he's got it. I thought he had flung it away. I thought he had flung the ball away there. Yeah, there's no overall coming. Do. Big woofers. The wolf. Yeah, wolf boy. Where is it? Oh, aye, here we go here. Where's the ball? Quinny, the ball, find the ball. He's lost it. He's lost the ball. Where is it? What have you done with the ball? Oh, it's alright, you've got it. You've got it all covered in sand. That'll give him a right good drouth. Maybe chap your Auntie Addie's door and get you a drink of water on the way up. I've jumped off that many a time. These sand dunes here. Go on, eh? Oh, you there? Yeah. Here, I'll maybe do, think I should do a jump before I go. Here's you hold this in. And I'll go and do a jump before I go. I'll sit that there. The dog's watching. Hey, you want to come? We jump off the thing before we go. Yeah, this is what we used to do for a living back in the 70s. Right, you ready, dog? 1, 2, 3. Hey! Right, thank you very much. Right, that's enough, I'm away. If our Addie's watching, I'll maybe chat the door and get a drink of water for the dog on the way up by. But I'll not be coming in. I'll just stand out at the wall. I'll shout over the wall. Right, I'll see you after, bye!